I'm here with Peter Harper at the Jaguar Breakfast Club. We've been round various cars looking for interesting cars, and I said to Peter, "Hi Peter, why don't we have a wee film round my car?" Because I got an interesting story to tell. And I said, well, the story is actually about a story, and it's actually about a storyboard. And basically, at the car shows, it's recommended you have a wee story on your car, so the public can read about your car and what's been done to the car. So I made up this kind of storyboard for the Jaguar Drivers Club Scotland, and I thought we'll put it out today and see. And it's quite surprising the amount of people that have actually came round and had a look at it. So I take the car to the event. It's a 2014 Jaguar XK Dynamic R. It's finished off in Italian racing red. It has 505 brake horsepower, so that's quite a lot of horses under the bonnet. Matter of fact, what we'll do is I'll open the bonnet and let you see the engine.
Okay.
I'm going to show you how to loosen it. Just pretend to drive it, but don't actually move it.
Well, Ronnie, I think that is spotless. I know you've said on a few videos how the people get out with a toothbrush. So have you been out with a toothbrush?
Well, genuinely, honestly, no toothbrush, no hoover on the car. I didn't know what to expect when I opened the bonnet, but it's looking just as nice as the last time it was out. Luckily enough, I've got it garaged, so it's kept it nice and fresh. I really didn't know how it was going to look, but what to do is I'll start it up and let you hear the growl.
Oh yes. Is it a growler?
It is a real growler, yes. But I won't be too loud because there's a chance that his dog there.
No. I'll just go and tell the man. Excuse me, we're just going to start this car up. Are you okay? XKR. Very nice.
It lets you get an idea of how it sounds, and I say it goes like lightning. That's the only way to describe it. I'll let the door open, Peter, if you want to have a look inside. It's got a few of the Jaguar Drivers Club memorabilia there, which we've got, and that's the cup sitting there for the overall winner today.
Is that for today?
That's for today. That's
Somebody's going to win that?
Yep.
We don't know yet.
Yes.
He's brought his umbrella just in case.
Yes, that's right, and it's a Jaguar Drivers Club umbrella just in case people have problems finding me. So that gives you an idea. It's an amazing car. It's a dynamic R, which means you can actually you can touch the button and you can change the suspension settings, so it actually makes it a firmer ride if you want to use it for track days. Also upgrades the brakes, so the brakes are also very, very positive. You can stop on a sixpence, and also the acceleration is absolutely shocking. That's the only way to describe it. You put your foot down really hard and it actually takes off. I had to do a manoeuvre the other day there where a car was putting me in a dangerous situation, so I just put my foot flat down and actually flung me about 8 inches back into the seat. I could not believe, you know how when cars or when the plane takes off, it throws you back in the seat. That's what it was like, and I thought, wow, wow. You've got to be so careful because you've got so much power on tap there.
It gets you out of trouble though.
Gets you out of trouble, yeah. And if you go right round the whole car, you can see the shape. This was one of the last XKs made in 2014. It was part of celebrating the life of the XK because it had such a long history, and they made these special models so that they would, be carried on in the future. As I say, Jaguar XK Dynamic R. It's 505 brake horsepower. I think it's a crazy top speed on it, so I wouldn't even mention what it is.
About 150 or something, I guess.
I think it's actually, I think it's
Probably more.
I think it's more than that, but I think they've been detuned a wee bit so not to be, you know, because it's just totally unsafe to drive at those sort of speeds. Because I mean, at those kind of crazy speeds, 160, 170 mile an hour, it's just bling, 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 bling as you're driving along.
Yeah.
You can't really focus on anything. And even the slightest movement takes, the car goes all over the place.
Right.
So I'll put the bonnet back down and you can
Okay.
actually have a, you can get the shape back in again.
It's E-type. No. The kick car. It's got everything from a 3.8 Jaguar saloon the running gear.
And what about the...
I would say, oh, you're going to ask me about the helmet.
Yeah.
Right, well, this was actually a good friend of mine who's passed away, Big Al. He used to film at events, car events and car rallies for years and years and take pictures of cars and put them on Facebook. And he was one of the guys I got involved with many years ago who showed me how to do these sort of things. He'd actually made that helmet up, and that was one of his kind of props, as he would call it. And of course he's passed away, and of course he gave, the helmet was left to me. So what I do is I bring it to car shows and I put it up there to remind me of all the help he gave me in the early days.
Yeah, that's good.
About how to, you know, do videos and how to take photographs. But in fact, I'll lift that trophy out and let you see it, because it's a cracking trophy.
So somebody's going to win this today.
Yeah, someone's going to win that today. It's Jaguar Drivers Club Scotland. It's the best show exhibit, and it was donated by Ali McMillan Jaguar, and we have the wee rosette to go with it as well. So we'll actually have about 6 trophies going out today, and this is the name of this trophy.
I best get polishing mine.
Peter,
okay.
Piece of prize for you. That's my car.
Very nice car, Ronnie.
Right, thank you, Peter.
Yeah, cheers.